How to fix fingerprint reader not working after sleep in Windows 10. 1. Download the latest drivers for your fingerprint reader, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Uncheck allow the computer to turn off this device to save power for your biometric devices and USB root hub. Like this. 3. Enable Credential Manager Service. 4. Disable and enable your fingerprint reader. 5. Lock your device manually. 6. Switch to local account / create a new account. 7. Uninstall fingerprint software. 8. Remove and recreate your PIN.